1080 KRLD News Time, 11:04, 79 degrees in Dallas and Fort Worth. Good morning, I'm Don Smith. The debate over Irving's policy of working with the feds to deport those who are arrested for other reasons but found to be in this country illegally could erupt at Irving's City Hall again this afternoon. I'm Don Smith. Time now for Reliance Mortgage's Real Estate Show with Chuck Dennis on News Radio 1080 KRLD. I'm Don Smith with your window to the web. Did you get that warning email from PayPal Security that someone logged into your account from Spain? If you did, I hope you didn't follow the instructions. It's a bogus email because PayPal or any other reputable company will never ask you to click on a link in an email to enter banking information. I'm Don Smith with your window to the web. KVIL, Dallas Fort Worth. It is something to talk about. Bonnie Raitt on your station number one for light rock in Dallas and Fort Worth, 103.7 KVIL. Say, did you know that listening to 103.7 KVIL can be rewarding? Listen while you work to win free lunch for four at Tokyo One from 103.7 KVIL. Our latest winner is Tanya Murphy of MBT and Richardson. All she had to do was enter online at KVIL.com. Ken Barnett will have a KVIL email winner every workday at 12:50. Good morning once again. It's the Open Road Cafe on. Mark says I always say cafe wrong. Cafe wrong. Whatever I say, Mark says it's the opposite.
Well, man, it's great to see you this morning.
Oh, it is great to be here, Mark. I'm having a blast. I'm absolutely having a blast, and we're going to have more fun as the morning continues. This is the Open Road Cafe on Sirius 141.